any proposal for intervention or any coastal engineering project, applying the various solutions/measures outlined in the erosion management strategies we have studied in previous sessions, and/or the execution of the intervention itself, must be developed in a multidisciplinary way to ensure success. So decision-makers, academic experts, professionals, as well as users of coastal zones must be involved. In this sense, from conception to execution and monitoring, the intervention must undoubtedly be developed considering at least three basic premises. 1. The coastal system is highly dynamic at different spatial and temporal scales. 2. The dynamics are determined by various factors. These include all studied coastal processes such as sediment transport patterns, incident wave energy, physical characteristics of the system, coastal geomorphology and typology, seafloor configuration, beach profile, artificial structures and infrastructure, sediment composition, type and granulometric aspects, and of course the location and condition of ecosystems. And 3. Coastal ecosystems will irrevocably influence coastal dynamics. For instance, in a coast ecosystem such as reefs, seagrasses, coastal dunes, and/or mangroves will determine the incident wave energy. Therefore, the location, conservation status, and changes in their condition are determining factors in coastal dynamics. As ecosystems degrade, their function changes, altering the hydrodynamic conditions of the entire system, resulting, for example, in a coastal erosion problem. The image below illustrates a stretch of coast in Puerto Morelos where the coral reef influences the wave energy reaching the shore, and, consequently, the hydrodynamics in the area. See how waves are diffracted by the coral reef, and how the barrier is changing the wave energy, promoting a calm zone behind the reef. Degradation due to natural or induced causes, for instance, coral bleaching, destruction from boat collisions, tourist activities, and/or its destruction, would leave this coastal stretch vulnerable to energetic waves. If development of coastal zones is carried out maintaining the natural coastal dynamics, engineering interventions will not be necessary. However, we are aware that the development of civil works in coastal areas occurs, and sooner or later, changes in littoral transport will occur leading to modifications of the coastline. These changes may not be immediately apparent as they are hidden among short-term fluctuations, so it always takes a long time to demonstrate that human-made changes are detrimental to the coast. The result is a long-term effect that is discovered when irreparable damage has already been done. That means that structural erosion exists. Thus, any process to design an intervention to address a present coastal problem like erosion should consider have a clear answer to the following question.